Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to talk about the American stock market with the S&P 500. Well, as you can see, I made a video about the S&P 500 yesterday, also about the all US markets, and I said there's no need for the panic. There's no need to be go in hurry to rush your stocks. There is not much a fearful moment at the moment because the reason for the downfall of the S&P and also the Nasdaq is because the software companies are sold because AI is replacing it. So that's the reason for it, and the stock market is just rebounded from it, and well, it's about the Kaufman moving average, so it's good. I think it will be hit to the 7,000 and break the 7,000 in the next week. This is the last day for the weekly for the US market. Well, also as you can see, this is weekly and it hit to the Kaufman moving average and rebounds from it, really bullish, and it will be go within this pattern and it will be go to the 7,400 in its next run. So we are bullish about the American markets because of the AI hype. Also I'm going to talk about the Dow Jones. Well, as you can see, Dow Jones made its all-time high. The reason for the all-time high is it is not included with the tech companies, and tech companies and software companies are oversold, and that's the reason the American stocks was going down and it rebounds. The Dow Jones didn't affect it from it. Also, with today's hype, it break its all-time high, so there's not much a problem in the US economy and US markets at the moment. Don't be afraid. You can easily invest in the Dow Jones with peacefully. There's no more problem at all. We didn't yet experience the hype. Also Nasdaq, this is the reason for the sell-off, but it will be recovering from it and it will be go down because all the stock markets are following themselves. If we are going to talk about the Russell is recovering, but not much movement in the Russell if you are going to look weekly. Now I'm going to talk about the gold. Well, the gold has crashed, and within that crash it made a rebounds, as you can see over here. It made the rebounds to the Kaufman moving average and got sold and gone up, and it's made looks for its way, and I don't think it will be go back to its all-time high level because the trend line is broken and it's $1 trillion of asset. I don't think it will be do a double tap in the 5,000 level, 5,600 levels, I mean, but I don't like the gold at the moment. There is not good signs in the gold. If you are going to talk about the silver, silver is I won't ever suggest silver because the trend line was really good at the moment, but it was euphoria, and then within that euphoria it was exploded. As you can see here, it crashed and then gone back. It didn't even go to the Nader Watson level like gold. It gone back and hit to the 66. This is too bad for the silver. It is expensive for the silver. We are waiting for silver to go down. I don't suggest silver at the moment. Also with the platinum, same thing with the silver. It crashed and it didn't. It yet, by the way, it hit the Kaufman moving average, but situation in the platinum is bad. It's just rebounding from it. That cat bounce, it says, because there's a lot of orders are waiting for that, and when it touches it, it makes the price go up, but I don't think it will be a double tap. So this is it. Bitcoin, yeah. Well, the Bitcoin is an opportunity for us. Well, I made a video about it, about Bitcoin, and I said, okay, this is oversold, and I made a video about it in 70,000 levels, and I said, okay, this is oversold and it will be buy, but it was a huge sell, really huge sell occurred over here, and it hit to the 58,000 levels, and within that it just really good rebounds occurred that way. As you can see over here, just 16% in almost one day, and it's going for its close, and as you can see over here, it was oversold. This is not Bollinger Band, by the way. This is another Watson without a smoothing. This indicator, I mean, it was out of it. Well, if it's going to pass the 74 level, it will be really good buy signal for the Bitcoin. But I'm waiting for a maybe a double bottom from the Bitcoin. Well, I think we are in the dips in the Bitcoin, but I'm waiting for a double dip. It can make it. So be aware of it. Don't just go in with a lot of leverages. It's too risky. Just if you're going want to go in, just go with the 2x, 3x, 3x, 2x, 3x leverages. For my opinion, my suggestion for myself, I'm talking about myself. I won't enter here with a lot of leverage. I won't enter with a lot of. I won't enter here with a lot of leverages because it's too risky. I think it will be double bottom. It will make a double bottom like 59, 60, or maybe it's 62. But I think it will be go down a little bit. But I think we are this. I think this is it. This is the bottom. These levels are bottom. I don't think it will 40 levels will be comeback. At right now, my opinion about it. So just be aware of it, and it is your call. But this is a capitulation. With the Ethereum, same thing. They are all following the Bitcoin, and right now the situation in the Bitcoin is recovering from its situation. With the weekly, it tries to go to the 2,432. XRP, well, XRP just yesterday XRP really big crash happened to the XRP, but today it recovered and gained up all of its losses about yesterday. And I want to say one thing for the cryptocurrencies: there is a lot of short positions are holding. There is a lot of short positions in the silver, so this is a threat. Sorry, there is a lot of. This is a threat, by the way. I'm going to warn about you. There is a lot of short positions in the Bitcoin at the moment. Also with the Ethereum, also XRP, XRP, and the old altcoins. And if the price go backwards, if the price starts to climb up its back levels, if the price starts to come back to its back levels, like upper levels, it will be automatically starts to close. People are automatically starts to close their positions, and within that, if they close their positions, it will be make a chain reaction, because if the someone who shorts closes its position, it will be automatically buy the Bitcoin at the moment, and it will be just make a chainful reaction at that moment, and it can make a price to go really up in a very short time. This is a liquidation event. You can see it in here. The price was going down, and the chain reaction just happened. People started to trigger themselves really quickly, and then all of a sudden we have found ourselves in the 102 level in the October. Just be careful about it. I'm talking about the short position holders. Also with the Monero has a increasing trend line over here, and yesterday it went below it and just rebounded from it. So this is a solid. This is a point you can buy and add Moneros at the moment. There is not much a problem for the Monero. It's still in a bullish trend, and we are waiting for the Moneros to go to 2,500 within it, maybe 1 year, maybe in 2 years. But the Monero price will be go up, and it will be follow it. My opinion. Thank you for watching my video. See you all.